राष्ट्रीय कृमि मुक्ति कार्यक्रम का आयोजन 2 नवंबर से 10 नवंबर तक किया जा रहा है, परंतु कोरोना महामारी को देखते हुए सभी दिशा निर्देशों व आवश्यक सुरक्षा उपायों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आंगनबाड़ी कार्यकर्ता, आशा कार्यकर्ता कृमि मुक्ति की दवाई एल्बेंडाजोल घर घर जाकर सभी 1 से 19 वर्ष तक की आयु वर्ग के 1,70,000 बच्चों और किशोरों को निर्धारित खुराक पिलाएगी। इसी उद्देश्य से चंबा उपायुक्त की अध्यक्षता में बैठक का आयोजन किया गया। इस दौरान उपायुक्त द्वारा कोरोना काल के दौरान राष्ट्रीय कृमि मुक्ति कार्यक्रम को सभी दिशा निर्देशों का पालन करते हुए चलाने की बात कही गई।
We have been, I think, carrying on this program for quite some time now. The only challenge this time is the COVID, and earlier we used to target majority of the target group in schools, but now that option is not available with us, and we need to go to house. And I think ASHA workers will be playing a very important role in the whole exercise. As you are aware that there are different doses for children of different ages, so I think we need to drive home the idea very clearly to all the field level functionaries, though they are aware, but again because now that supervision at school level won't be happening, so now they will be independently working in the field and doing their job. So that is one. And second, to ensure universal coverage should also be properly monitored so that the aim of the week is achieved. Another important issue which we'll be discussing is the preparation of database, and that has to be done within the end of this month. The time is very limited, and CMO Saab will give you a brief overview of what has been shared at the state level, and if you have any issue, kindly share it here so that we can discuss and sort out the issues and provide solutions, discuss solutions. Another thing is ongoing pandemic. So I think we need to be more vigilant, and let us presume that the ongoing number of cases coming may increase, and if it slows down, we may have to face another wave which may be more challenging and difficult to handle. So we have to prepare our health system for that. And how do we use our ASHA workers and others to spread awareness to